What do you think we're doing? Mini Truckin? Mini Truckin Takeover? Mini Truckin logo? It's Mini Truckin Day today. It's getting color, it's getting clear. The last 4 months are finally coming to an end, and it's gonna be done. The color looks insane. Make sure you follow along, like and subscribe, and enjoy. Let's go. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You can see we are not in the normal place. We're not in T-Brad's shop today because today is Mini Truckin Gets Paint Day. That's right, the truck, the Ranger, is here at Back Corner Studios. Josh is in the booth right now, blowing things down, getting it ready for paint. If you haven't already, go to Back Corner Studios, down in the words below. Follow, like, subscribe, do all the things. Check out the socials, follow along. We got cameras in the booth, we got cameras following around. We're gonna bring you guys along for the content for today. This is super exciting. This has been a long time coming, not only for me just working on the truck, but for Trevor at T-Brad Fab. Make sure you follow. Everything's gonna be mixed up off of here. We've got SATA Global, SATA Canada. They're involved in this project. We've got RM's new Onyx product line ready to go. We've got an amazing color that we're shooting today. This is huge. This has been a long time coming to get this truck to this stage and get it painted. So we're not gonna waste any more time. You're gonna see mixing paint, you're gonna see process, you're gonna see laying color and clear down today. We're gonna get our suits on. You can get your food, your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, whatever time of day it is. Hope you're having the best day ever. Make it the best day ever, because we're about to do the same thing. And remember, it's Mini Truckin Paint Day. Let's get at it.
That's why when I first mixed it up, I'm just like,
This is black.
well, I'm kind of like more to the
You know it's in there. I put it in there.
Like, why did they choose this color? And I was like, oh, totally what I was thinking. And then I did one of these, and it was like, oh, okay, there it is.
Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's always been one of my favorite things. It's so black.
Yeah.
It's so black. Want to take a quick minute here to introduce the man himself, Josh Dobson. He is the owner here at Back Corner Studios in Stratford, Ontario. This is where the Ranger is being done and where some amazing projects, how-to videos, tech articles, automotive restoration happens here. Josh?
What is up, peeps? Yeah, we're getting ready to paint this Ranger, and
super excited.
Yeah, man, this is gonna be awesome. This color is so rad.
Neither one of us are like, it doesn't look like anything, but it actually looks like something when the sun hits it.
Oh yeah, man, this is gonna be a banger truck. So
yeah, this is gonna be awesome. So we've got the truck in the booth right now. Everything's all ready to go. We've got some cameras set up. We're gonna be in there. We're gonna bring you guys along for the ride. So make sure you sit down and enjoy this video. Like and subscribe. Head over to Josh's channel at Back Corner Studios. I'm gonna throw a link down in the words below for you guys so you can hit that up very easily. And we're gonna get at this. I hope you're having the best day ever, because we're about to have the best day ever, because it's Mini Truckin Day here at the shop at Back Corner Studios. Let's get it, brother.
Hell yeah.
Just like that, that's how fast you can paint a truck. Don't you really wish it was that easy? Josh just finished laying down the color on the Ranger. Super excited on how this thing's turning out. The lines are super crisp. Everything's nice and flat. It's gonna look great. This color that we've chosen for this is absolutely gonna be stunning in the sunlight. Can't wait for it. So we're gonna let that flash off for a little bit while Josh mixes up some more clear. And we're gonna get ready to go in and lay down the clear coats. Today is a Mini Truckin Day. Make sure we got our Mini Truckin takeover on right here while we're doing this. Thank you, Andrew. Shout out to our boy, Andrew. For now, we're gonna jump back into it. We'll get Josh out here mixing up some clear. We'll bring you along for that and we'll take you into the booth to see where the magic happens. Don't really wanna give too much away because this is getting debuted at Mini Nats this year in April in not that much time. So we got to get this done. You guys taking off? See you, buddy. Josh will be out of the booth. We'll get this stuff cleaned up. We'll get set up for clear coat. That's where the magic happens. Let's get it.
Let's go.
just like that, we are done. Cameras are here. We're out of the booth. Josh is just finishing up. The Ranger's got color. The Ranger's got clear. We're ready to go. The Ranger project is just about done and ready for assembly. Can't wait to show you what it's gonna look like when it hits the sun. But everything you just saw is just a quick little time lapse and montage of everything going down in the booth. It's so black, so black. It's black, but it's actually not. You just gotta see it when the sun hits it. It's incredible. Can't wait. This has been amazing. We're gonna get cleaned up, get out of our monkey suit here, put our gear away. Super excited and blessed to be here today with all of you. Want to thank everybody for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you check out Back Corner Studios. Link in the description below. Have the best day ever. We'll see you in the next one.